Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new update on CRO, the crypto.com coin. As we can see on coinmarketcap.com, at the 49-cent level, down about 4% over the last 24 hours, but volume picking up about 42%. So volume coming in, a lot of people getting into it. The price is very low. It's a great opportunity to get into this. We haven't seen at this level. You know, we saw it during this kind of crash the last couple of weeks, but it's been going up and down. But we've been maintaining in that 50-cent range. But all in all, a great price. I don't think it's going to go much lower than, the low 40s. Let's take a look at the price history. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, it was low of 48 cents, high is 52 cents. So I don't really see it going much lower than that. I mean, it's been a great runner. We had that all-time high a couple weeks back, hitting out to like 96 cents. And all in all, today is a red day across the crypto market. It's going to take a look here right now, down about 0.5%, 2.19 trillion now. A couple hours earlier, it was down about a little more. I think it was at like 2.14 trillion, 2.13 trillion. But as you can see, red across the board, Bitcoin down, not by much, but red is red, right, guys? Just like green is green. Ethereum really having a struggle to maintain that $40,000, getting through that $4,000 resistance. Sorry about that. And as you can see, Bitcoin just topped into 47,000. It's been about 45, 46 the last couple of days. Red. Some things are turning green now, as you can see. Starting to look a little greener as well. SHIB, getting out of that low 29-cent range there. Here's crypto.com in 16th place. We've really come down a few spots due to the market cap, but that's not too bad. As you know, it's been a pretty terrible market over the last few weeks. Pretty much up and down, but pretty much stable in this red zone. Now, I have an article that I want to go through here. So you can see crypto.com coin price analysis. CRO breaks that below the 50-cent support level, right? More downside to follow, of course, is that a question, right? So we've been talking about this. This 50-cent support is key. Now we've broken it. How much more are we going to go to the downside? Now, with the whole market being in where it is right now in the red and being in the Christmas season, it's the end of year, a lot of people are just focused on other things, right? I know myself, I'm super busy, kind of like stressing out a little over like Christmas gifts, making sure I have enough and I haven't forgotten anyone. And that's why I missed my opportunity to buy into some of these coins that have gone to some really low prices. But, eyes on the prize, guys. Just got to be patient. Got to keep following the charts and paying attention to those cryptos, those altcoins that you want to invest in. So going through this article right now, as we can see, crypto.com price analysis is bearish today. Okay, everything is pretty much bearish. Broke past the 50-cent support level. Next support is at 40 cents. Now, I don't think we're going to break below 40 cents. I don't really see us going below 45 cents, but it really depends on the market, right? If the market takes a turn for the worse, well, then anything's possible, and this could come down to, 30 cents. But the market could rally up, and we could see this going back to that 60, 70 cents. Was that kind of that healthy range, right? Hitting that all-time high of 96 cents was just a lot of FOMO, a lot of publicity, all that marketing, that advertising campaign. That money really went to work, and a lot of people poured in. But due to this recent trend, as you can see, people are just kind of scared now. There's a lot of fear. Okay, so now going through this article, so the 4-hour chart. So let's see as the CRO heads towards the 40-cent level. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see crypto.com coin price still declining as there is no close support levels after the 50 cent. So crypto.com price has seen a steady decline over the past weeks, right? The trading range has been increasingly more narrow as a series of lower lows and highs have been set. Some support was found near the 50-cent mark, which previously reversed the CRO USD in a strong way at the beginning of December. However, a reversal was not seen this time as bears managed to push the market below the support earlier today. So the next major support is seen at the 40-cent mark, with some support potentially found around 45 cents. Ultimately, crypto.com coin price should see a decline over the following days as there's a lot of room for further the downside. So I kind of disagree to that. Like I said earlier, we could possibly see 45. I don't see us breaking below 40. Now, it is Christmas, and we know that a lot of people are just going to start to slowly pay less and less attention now. People like myself, people that are very passionate about crypto and who are very heavily invested, are always going to be watching crypto charts, right? Multiple times a day, right? But a lot of people, once we start getting to like Friday when it's Christmas Eve, and the weekend's going to be Christmas, people are traveling, they're seeing their families. You're not going to want to be staring at your phone all day when you have your family and your friends over, and just enjoy yourself. But for now, as you can see, this article tends to state that we're going to go a little lower. I believe it as well, but At 45, that for me is a huge buying opportunity, and I'm not going to risk it going lower. Although it definitely can, but you definitely have to keep in line the actual global crypto market, because if we start to see this market cap go lower and lower and lower, well then all of these assets are only going to go lower and lower and lower and get those bargain basement prices. And that's what I like to see sometimes. Now, I do want to add more to my my position, but like I said, just got to wait out and see what happens in the next few days regarding the actual global crypto market. All right, guys, so that's all we have for today. Just a short video. I'll have some more information later on Crowcoin. Got some exciting information to talk to you guys about. But for now, if you're getting value, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I will see you all in the next video.